Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can add a border to all your pictures in Canva. So let's get right into it. As you can see, I have this picture of a dog, and I'll be using that to create a white border around that picture, and I'll be adding one more tip to it. So let's get right into it. Now, firstly, to edit this picture, you just need to click on it and click on Edit Picture. I'm sorry for this not being in English, but this here says Edit Picture. You can trust me on that. Then you want to go to Effects and go into Shadows, which has that sort of football icon. Then you want to go into Glow. Once you're in Glow, you'll get these options down here, and you can set the size to whatever you want. Personally, I'll set it to about 25. This is going to be the width of your shadow or the thickness. Then this is blur amount. You just want to put that all the way down. Color, you can change it to white or to whatever color you want. And intensity, put it to 100. And as you can see, that has added a white border. Now you can try other sort of shadow types as well. For example, let me just go back to the editing process, go into shadows. You can use contour as well. Change the size like this. It will make the picture a bit smaller though. Change it to white, change the intensity to 100, and again you have the border. Now another thing that you can do before you actually do that is go and edit the picture, go into effects, remove the background, and then you can edit the shadow in the same way pretty much. Change the size, change the blur, change the color, and change the intensity, and this is what it looks like. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.